Hello and welcome to the tip of the week. This week's tip is bypass the Gmail attachment limit using Google Drive. Have you ever tried attaching a file or multiple files to an email in Gmail, only to receive an error because it exceeds the 25 megabyte attachment limit? Fortunately, Google provides a simple solution to bypass this restriction. By using Google Drive, you can send attachments up to 10 gigabyte in size effortlessly. Let's look at how to bypass the Gmail attachment limit using Google Drive. Open Gmail and click Compose in the upper left corner. Put who you are sending the attachment to and add the subject. Click on the Google Drive icon to the right of the Send button. Click on My Drive and search for the file you want to send. Select the file or files and click Add as a link. Then click the Send button. Do you have questions about using Google Workspace? There are several resources available. The links and contact information are listed here.